Hey guys, what's going on? I just picked up this SoundBot. It's a Bluetooth adapter that goes into your auxiliary, your audio auxiliary. So here, it's got a 3.5 millimeter aux port. And I'm about to put this in a Honda Pilot. It's an older Honda Pilot. It's a 2006 Honda Pilot, and it doesn't have an auxiliary up on the radio anywhere. But it does have an auxiliary that's in the back here. So I don't know if you can see that, but back here there's I think this is like a left and a right audio. And so what I did is I bought this cable. Sorry, I know it's hard to see. But I bought this cable that then goes into a female port for a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary in cable. So I got this from Ugreen. So, and then on my radio here, when I turn on the radio, I can put it on over here where it says DVD auxiliary, and that auxiliary option there picks up from this port all the way in the back. So let me go ahead and open this box up and we can take a look at it. And this has got lots of good features. So comes with a USB adapter, a smart charger, and here you can see how it sets up. So here's the little adapter, here's the auxiliary in, and then here's the cigarette lighter USB adapter. That comes with looks like it's got a 2.1 amp to 2.4 amp for an iPad, 2 amp for an iPhone, and then a 1 amp for other smartphones. So it's got 3 ports on it. Alright, let's see what this looks like on the inside. There you go. So, and then the back of this, see it's got some 3M tape on the back of that, so that you can attach to somewhere on your dash. So you don't have to be touching it or holding it. You can just go ahead and talk, and it'll pick it up if it's stuck to your dash. And then here's the little adapter. There's the adapter. And then there's the auxiliary cable. Yep, there's the 3.5 millimeter stereo cable. Pretty cool. You know what I'm forgetting to show you guys is this one comes with I think in here there's I thought there was a clip. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, so it comes with a little clip so that you can put that on your lapel. So if you want, you can just stick this on your lapel versus sticking it to your dash. Pretty neat. Alright guys, well I'm going to go ahead and install this. I'll put a link down in the description below and in the comments to where I got this. And thanks for looking guys. Have a good day. Adios.